Oh my god, I'm stressed right now. Today, I'm doing my freaking screen protector by my freaking self. Oh god. Guys, it's Mary, and today we're gonna have to change my screen protector, and I'm gonna try to do it by myself. Hope to god I don't freak it up. I got one on right now, but the cracks are getting like to the point where I can't use my phone without hitting my finger on a crack. So I'm gonna change my screen protector, and I'm gonna show you what comes with my brand that I got of screen protectors. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. This is it right here in this plastic container. We're gonna lift the lid off just like that. Comes with your guide, which, by the way, we're gonna need the instructions on how to place it in. We're gonna need one of these. It's got what we need to get rid of dust. I'm kind of scared now because there's only one more screen protector in here. So I'm gonna have to be either A, very careful, or B, just change it when I need to change it. Frick it. I'm just gonna go ahead and change it and just wear my Gear Beast. Yay. Guys, look what's on that table. All right, so we got, oh, I forgot to use that. Crap. Well, there wasn't any dust on my screen. So, I guess that's okay. So I forgot to use the dust thing. I used the wet wipe. You can see that it was used. And then here is the old protector. I'm keeping the guide for future screen protectors. And then, oh my god, here is the thing I took off of it. Oh my god. And then, oh my god, you guys. What the? Alright, so right now I'm gonna put away the trash into the freaking thing. And then put this back on, I guess. And then throw that away. Except for this. This is not trash. That's gonna be used for future screen protectors. Yeah, everything is in this thing right here, guys. Okay, all the trash is in that. And I honestly can't believe I put that on by myself. Oh my god. That was freaking crazy, man. I'm putting that away so that I don't lose it. That is crazy. That is so crazy. Crazy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just going to put everything in this box and just throw the whole box away. Like, what the heck? All the trash in that box. Oh my god, I can't believe I changed out my screen protector. This guide, that's why I love ESR. Okay, because they give you a guide and you can use that for your freaking screen protector. Like, thank you, ESR, for saving my butt.